Hi, my name is Matt Hinkle with Box Alarm Training. Today we're starting off a little bit different video style. We're going to start doing some more webcast podcast style videos. Basically, the reason for this is to try to provide a lot more content on a consistent basis. If you've followed us in the past, you know that we've put together a lot of training video series, product review videos, and things like that. Those style videos take a good bit of time to produce as far as editing, getting the content together, multiple camera angles, all that kind of stuff. Well, we have a lot of questions, though, that come up pretty often that can be answered pretty simply in this style of video. So that's what we're going to try to do on a much more consistent basis to fill in the gaps in between the training video series that we're still going to do and product reviews and things like that. So what's our plan coming up with the podcast style or the webcast style? We're basically going to try to invite through web chats some of the instructors that we know around the country, so that if we have a specific area of interest or a topic, we can go to that subject matter expert and get some answers. I think that's going to be a good way to answer questions, give good information. Another thing that we're considering doing is inviting manufacturers into this discussion to talk about the new innovations that they have, or to get feedback from firefighters as to what they are looking for. And that'll go along with our product testing and product reviews. So what's the next video series going to be about? And this is basically just to update you. The next video series that I'm putting together right now is based on drones. It's about drone operations, or UAS operations. Recently, within the last year, I have been working on a public COA and a lot of other operational things that go along with drones for a state agency. There's a lot that goes into that, and I learned a ton along the way. I took a bunch of classes, and I also took a course from a certified flight instructor to become a Part 107 certificated pilot, which is a remote pilot from the FAA. So I do have that certification. So I basically wanted to create a video series that will answer questions in that format, or talking about drone use or UASs and how we use them in the emergency services. More importantly, how do you use them? So how do we get the drone where we're legally able to use it? How do we define airspace? How do we select equipment? How do we select sensors? So that video series is going to go over all of those platforms, the FAA rules and regulations, the different ways you can fly, and then hopefully operationally how you can use that through different software programs, mapping software, and things like that to do recon, thermal imaging, FLIR systems, forward-looking infrared. So there's a lot out there that hopefully we'll be doing in the next video series. I wanted to put this out really quickly because I know we've been absent from YouTube for a while. Just honestly been busy with a thing called Executive Fire Officer, which I'm going to do another video series on, about the National Fire Academy and that program. But I wanted to do this style of video to get more videos out more often, because we have not done enough videos and answered enough questions on a regular basis. So hopefully this will solve that problem, and we'll get more answers for you. So if you're interested, if you've never seen us before, give us a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also go to our Facebook page, Box Alarm Training, or you can visit our website, www.boxalarmtraining.com. Thanks.